Aggressive wave 3 buy, live trade on Kiwi Dollar. Hi traders, welcome to another live trade. This is the Kiwi Dollar at the 5-minute chart. And I think that this pair is going to push higher during the day. So I would like to start looking for the buy at the pullbacks. But for you to better understanding this, I would really like to go step by step. So if you start watching the market from here, all the way to the downside, what I can see is this. Let me just turn this off. So we have push down that look impulsive, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, followed by some sort of a triangle in the middle, and another some sort of a 5-wave move down. We had a nice divergence here and over here. So in my opinion, this is just some sort of A, B, and C. After that, what we had was some sort of 1 as the leading diagonal, pull back, push higher, the strongest push in this 5-wave move, so some sort of wave 3 looking for 4 and 5. Also, there is small divergence over here, and after that, we have 3-wave move pullback. And right now, we have a 5-wave move up. So ideally, we are in the smaller wave 1, some larger wave 3, for example, right now. But let's go and label this on the chart quickly. So smaller wave 1, smaller wave 2. After it, we should see some smaller wave 3 over here. Pullback in the wave 4. Wave 5 high. And with that, we end some sort of a larger wave 1. After that, we had A, B, and C. And let's say, since we missed, at least I missed, to buy at this second wave pullback, I know I had another chance, because if I'm right, in the wave 3, I'm going to have another 5-wave move pattern. So I can go and buy at the smaller wave 2, because that is again the same thing. We are only looking to buy the wave 3, 5, and C. And since I missed this larger wave 3, I can go and try to buy in at the smaller wave 3. Now, before we put our pending orders, we need to check the rules. We need only for this aggressive trade to work, because this is the 5-minute chart, and every trade that you want to open below the 1-hour chart is going to be aggressive. So the rule for aggressive is going to be that we only need to have a 5-wave move in the wave 1. So that's true. Also, we have some sort of a divergence as additional confirmation. So pre-requirement rules was met over here. So we can go and draw a Fibonacci retracement from start to end of the wave 1. So we can project the potential entry points. For the entry 1, we are going to use the 50%, and for the entry 2, we are going to use the 618. For the stop loss, we are going to use the starting point of the wave 1, in this case 67.88, and for the targets, we are going to use 100% and 1618. Since we have 2 orders over here, we can even separate, for example, the entry 1 trade and put the target 1 at 100% and put the entry 2 order with the target at 1618. I prefer to have both targets at 1618 and close the both position to the half size at the equal legs, but you can always go and do one entry at 100%, one entry at the 1618, since you have a 2 entry points. So the easiest way to set up the trade right now without losing too much time would be to use our Quick Trader tool. And we are going to use horizontal line that we are going to name a buy, and we are going to have the stop loss and the target. So stop loss, we are moving to the starting point, and we can move the target point to the 1618. Now we are going to do the same step for the position 2, and we are going to name it just a buy 2 or buy 1, whatever you want, whatever is easier for you. I like to have two orders to separate them a little bit. Again, we are moving the stop loss to the starting point of the V1, and the target, let's say in this case, we can go and use the 100%. Let's see if everything is set up correct. Okay, and this is over here. So let's go and let's leave the market to test our entry points, right? Because we don't need to pressure the market, we just want the market to come to us. So I will pause this video right now, and I will return if we get filled to update you on our positions. Hi traders, this is just the update for our Kiwi dollar long trade. Now the both positions were filled, so we are looking to see more bullish movements in the next couple of hours. We have the target 1 over here, target 2 over here. We have a nice risk reward, so that's good. And only thing that I would like to do right now would be to go and move the wave 2 over here to this bottom at 67.94. Because that way we are going to know that this was the ending point of the wave 2. So I'm going to pause the video again, and I'm going to return after we have some more info. Hi traders, this is just a quick update. Let me open the trade terminal, and over here we can see that we hit our first target over here, and we made $350 from the first entry point. Now we have one more entry point running on, and we are really close to hit our targets. So let's see what's market going to do in the next few hours, and I will return to update you on the position. Hi traders, our second position was just closed, and as you can see below in the trader's terminal, the second position was closed with a nice profit around $630. So in total, we made around $1,000 today. And it was just a few hours of work. So in my opinion, a great way to earn for a living. And you can always find these patterns on any pair you like. You just need to follow the rules, and that's all. And our rules was simple. We waited for a 5-wave move up, followed by a pullback. After we failed to enter the wave 2 pullback, we tried to buy at the smaller 1-2, and we bought the wave 3 of the wave 3. So we still managed to make $1,000, and we can now move on to the next trade in reality. That's all for this video. I'll see you all in the next one. Take care, traders.